guess what, guys? All right, we are having a live section in our channel, and this is coming out on 19th July 2026. So I would love you to be there. The time is at 6 p.m. Alright guys, if you have been having issues of your Chromebook, how to run Windows on it, this is the time for you to interact with me, and we ask questions. We are there to answer and to help you out. And also we are going to work together on a Chromebook, and we are going to work on this Chromebook. This is a Lenovo Chromebook. We are going to work on it. We are going to put ChromeOS on it, a stable one. After that, we are going to install the Windows firmware. After the Windows firmware, we are going to run Windows on it. So I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Alright, you're free to ask me questions on this section, and the question I'm going to take on is based on the Windows we are installing, based on the operating system we are running, ChromeOS operating system we are going to run. So you are going to interact with me. We're going to talk when I'm going to be doing the process of installing this. You are going to interact with me. We are going to talk and then sort out any problem you have so far. Trust me guys, it's going to be fun interacting with me. Alright, so definitely I'm going to see you there on the 19th July 2026. Please don't miss that. Thank you.